Okay, Sepideh, you just passed your driving test. Congratulations again. Can you tell us a bit about the driving test, what happened, and what questions did the driving examiner ask you at the beginning of the test?
Thank you, Omid. So they asked about the mirror adjustments and anti-glare, and also about the seat adjustment as well.
Okay, great. And what maneuvers did you do during your driving test?
It was reverse, and also reverse parallel parking.
Okay,
Nice.
fire parking. Cool. And were you nervous during the test?
Yes, I was so nervous at the beginning.
Okay.
So I was very stressed out. But when we started driving and it started our conversation with the instructor, so I started to calm down.
Okay, so was it the conversation with the instructor that helped you ease your nerves a
Yes.
bit?
Yeah. I think because he was a bit friendly and just I found that conversation helpful for me.
Okay, great. And you didn't go to highway. Your test was at 3:35. You didn't go to highway, right?
No, we didn't go. We also entered a school zone once, and then no, we didn't go highway.
Okay, cool. Okay, so you're from Iran. What do you think? What are the challenges that the Iranian face when they drive here in Australia?
For my case, I think when I started driving here, I thought that I should be very careful, too much careful, and that's why that sometimes when the speed limit, for example, it is 60, I is still driving lower than 60, and that was my challenge here. So I suggest people from Iran that come here and just starting driving, please don't be so very slow and
Overcautious.
Overcautious, exactly.
Was the driving on different sides challenging here when you started?
Yes, at the beginning, but I think when you see the cars and just you can adjust yourself very quickly with that. But yeah,
Okay, great. Any recommendations for learners who are going for the driving test?
don't be stressed. Try not to be. I think it's natural to be nervous, but yeah, I just try to be very cautious about the school zone, the speed limits, and also when you change the lanes, just try to have the shoulder check. Yeah, always.
Okay, great. Thank you. Great advice. Thank you very much again, and congratulations, Sepideh.
Thank you so much.